Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 5500-watt dual-fuel RV-ready open-frame inverter with CO Shield. This unit runs on propane or gasoline straight out of the box, and our innovative technology makes it 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional 5500-watt generator. Perfect for recreational use, taking on small trips, or providing power to some essential household items during a power outage. And for added peace of mind, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. This unit comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet, as well as two 120 volt household outlets and a 12 volt DC outlet. Or connect two units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide up to 50 amps of power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the engine. Move the unit outside. Add gasoline. Or connect the propane supply. Start the unit and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 5500-watt dual-fuel open-frame inverter with CO Shield. Innovation, power, and dependability.